In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and exit futures trades in Tradovate. First, let's talk about how to get into a trade. Tradovate gives you three straightforward ways to place orders: from the chart, the superdom, or the order ticket. All three do the same core job, so choose the one that suits your style. The chart lets you trade visually from price action. The superdom is a price ladder ideal for quick order placement and depth of market awareness. The order ticket is a clean, form-based panel that's great if you prefer to enter details carefully before sending. No matter which interface you use, start by selecting the instrument you want to trade. Make sure the symbol is correct and that you're in the right account if you have more than one. Next, set your order quantity. Or double-check it. Many trading errors come from an unintended size. Now, choose your order type. A market order fills immediately at the best available price, which is useful when speed matters more than precise pricing. A limit order sets the highest price you're willing to pay when buying, or the lowest price you're willing to accept when selling. It gives you control, but may not fill if price doesn't reach your level. A stop order becomes a market order once your trigger price is touched, helping you enter on momentum or protect against adverse moves. Once your instrument, quantity, and order type are set, click Buy to go long or Sell to go short. Watch for the confirmation and fill status so you know whether your order is working or filled. When it's time to exit, Tradovate offers fast, clear commands. Close position exits the current open position in that instrument, typically by sending an opposing order size to flatten your exposure. Flatten is a broader safety command that closes the position and cancels any related working orders for that instrument in one action, helping you avoid leaving stray orders behind. Exit at MKT and CXL immediately sends a market order to exit your position and simultaneously cancels all pending orders linked to it, prioritizing speed when you need out now. A few practical tips as you work. Confirm the instrument and quantity before you click, especially if you switch between interfaces. Keep an eye on your working orders in case limits or stops remain after an exit. Commands like flatten or exit at MKT and CXL help ensure everything is cleared. Finally, review your fills and status messages so you know exactly what executed and what was canceled. That's the essential flow for entering and exiting futures trades in Tradovate with confidence and clarity.